Hi guys, welcome to Pack Hearing Eye. I'm glad to be back again vlogging, and I'm going to show you right now what my new hobby now. I like me better when So when I was young, I always loved collecting cards, from anime cards to a Pokemon card. But then way before I collected pop vinyls. So right now I'm starting to research about trading cards again. But I'm interested because of its investment and how cool the cards are made. So at the meantime, baby steps. So what I'm going to do is I'm collecting NBA trading cards. This is my first ever trading card that I have, an NBA one. Just bought it in Cards Plus, and just here in New Zealand in Kayapoi. So if I was thinking, if I'm going to collect NBA cards, I have to think of, I shouldn't collect all of the players because that will be costing a lot of money. So I was thinking of certain players to collect. I was thinking of, for the meantime, I was thinking more of like a rookie type people for the meantime, because that will be a good money in the future. But yeah, at the meantime, I was aiming at, people might know him, Zion Williamson. So this is a rookie reflection of when he was in New Orleans with Charles Barkley in 76 Sixers. So cool. And then yeah, it's a number 9. So cool. On top of it is Zion Williamson and then Charles Barkley. So cool. And other card that I bought is I'm quite unsure about him, but I got a big feeling he'll be big in the future. His name is Bobo. He's a rookie. He's now in Denver Nuggets. He's quite different from other people because he is a 7-footer. Oh, you know, most of the basketball players are like tall, but this guy is a monster. So he's like, Bobo is like 7'2", but with a wingspan, like his hand is like 7'7" wingspan. That's so big. I think he's much more. He's got more wingspan than Kawhi or anyone else that I've known of. But you can see in this card, he's a monster. He's way monster. You can see in his legs, arms. Whew. I think he'll be a good investment for me. And I like how the design of it. Yeah, he's now in Denver Nuggets, but I think he'll be a good one. And then, so this is the latest rookies in NBA, but I've decided to collect more. So what I'm going to do also is having a more like, not unboxing because it's not a box, more like unpacking or removing it from the package. So I bought a NBA Hoops Series 1 1992 to 1993. So it's an old one, but I was so hoping, they're hoping that to have a Shaq in here, Shaq O'Neal, or a Jordan, or those old, or might know, there might be good ones in here. I was hoping, fingers crossed. So I bought 9 of it because it was just $3.50. I wouldn't. And I asked the owner of the shop. He said these cards could be. He saw someone bought a whole box and he got 2 Jordans in it. It's worth each one card is like worth 500. That's a good investment. I don't know with you guys. It's just when you're buying cards or collecting cards or investments, it's not really you get have a good investment about it. But it's a risk. It's always a risk. And it's also how you collect them and how mint it is. So I'm going to unpack each one of it, and so there's 9 of it. And I'll show you each or all of it or each package I have. Alright. Packet 1. So in every package is like 12 cards in it. So I hope I might have, hopefully have one. So there will be 9 packs of 12. That'll be a lot. There'll be 108 cards in it. So I'll go through with it and I'll show you which one is might be a great card. So I unpacked all of this now. It's not a lot of good stuff in it, but I enjoyed unpacking it. So what I've got is I got this Magic Johnson one, and that one, and some Patrick Ewing. That's cool. Another Magic Johnson. Some Dennis Rodman. Another Dennis Rodman. Some John Stockton and with Michael Williams. And another John Stockton. Ghosty. Another John Stockton with Kevin Johnson. And then Michael Williams again. And yeah, that's it. But quite enjoyed it, even though it's my first time doing this. At least I enjoyed unpacking it, even though there's not a lot of big values in it. But now I know how to determine which one is which package or which packs to buy. So it's better to do a prism once, but I kind of like the one that I bought, like Bobo and the Zion. Quite happy with this. Look at that. So I kind of like them. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and to see more of my vlogs. So yeah, bye.